Hi everyone! We are so excited to give you a sneak peek of our holiday open house and craft festival happening on December 6th. Check it out! This event is December 6th from 10 to 3. We will have great vendors selling handcrafted goods, there will be a bake sale and a basket raffle, and Santa will be there to hand out goodies for the kids. We hope to see you there, and happy Thanksgiving, everyone!